I love that he has the drive.
As he's looking at the other sheep around. Which other ones can I chase?
Well, he said those, see, nobody's protecting them. These, somebody's protecting them. I love it. I love it. And it's not deterring him, look. I love it. See, he's respectful, but it's not bothering him at all.